Installing the ThinkServer RAID supercapacitor module. To install the ThinkServer RAID supercapacitor module, gently press the tab on the ThinkServer RAID supercapacitor module bracket and at the same time install the ThinkServer RAID supercapacitor module into the bracket. Position the ThinkServer RAID supercapacitor module assembly on the chassis so that the tabs on the assembly pass through the corresponding holes in the chassis. Move the ThinkServer RAID supercapacitor module assembly until it is secured on the chassis. Connect the ThinkServer RAID supercapacitor module to the TFM connector on the RAID card.